Hey guys, welcome to the next tutorial of ethical hacking and penetration testing via Kali Linux. In this tutorial, I'll just go ahead and first close this command prompt that I created in the previous tutorial. Exit. And yes, the reason died. I'll just go ahead and close this. I'll delete this payload.exe as well because I need a interpreter, and I'll just go ahead and okay, it's already terminated. Delete this as well. So let's go ahead and do something more at this point of time. So what I would be doing in this tutorial is that I will create a payload file, and I will go ahead and change its icon, its name and everything, and I will send it to the victim so that he will think it's just a normal file. Or if I go ahead and gain access to his computer, I will replace the my computer icon with my virus file. So every time he wants to run the my computer, he will double click on my virus.exe file and he will run that. So I'll just go ahead and create let's download the just go ahead and open it over here. Check. First thing that you need to download would be the resource hacker, so I would prefer Google, and ask me later and resource hacker, and we have it over here, the British version, so 3.4.1, and let's check which is the real one. So let's check over here. Okay, perfect. Let's download it. Okay, I'll just save it, and I'll save it on the desktop. Okay, this is from the Softonic, I believe. I'll just close this and this. Okay, perfect. Extract all files. Let's see if this works. Perfect. So we have the resource hacker. So what we would be doing is, first I will assume this as my target PC, as well as I will also be experimenting this as my own VMware workstation. I am a hacker and this is my own VMware workstation. I will also be assuming that as well. So I'll first go ahead and create my payload terminal. So I'll open a toolkit and I'll type SETOOLKIT, and I'll choose 1 social engineering attacks, 4th creating a payload and listener, and the IP address would be the same, and this time we would be using the reverse interpreter attack. So I'll be using the 2, not the 1, so I'll just go ahead and hit 2 and enter. So again, backdoor executable. The port would be, let's change the port this time, 8888, and by the time this runs, start the listener, yes, keep the listener running, and file system, and we have USR, share, SET, and we have our virus over here. So I'll copy it to my VMware version of this over here. Okay, I can copy it directly right now. Perfect. So I will go ahead and right click and use it as a resource hacker. So I'll just go ahead and open my resource hacker, and I'll go ahead and open, and desktop, here's my payload. So I need to change the icon over here. So this icon is way too easy for someone to understand, so I need my computer hack icon. So I'll just go ahead and type download my computer icon. You can download any other icon that you want. I'm just downloading this icon. Make sure that whichever icon you use, your target would be easily conned by that. Where is my computer icon? This is not my computer. Okay, I have it. And I'll download the I see you. I don't exactly. I had done this after a long time, so I'll just go ahead and save it on desktop. Perfect. Now I'll minimize that. It's downloaded. Perfect. We have the icon over here. I'll just go ahead and name it as icon. I don't want a very big name. And I'll go ahead and I want to change this icon. So what I would do is I will go ahead and let me check. Replace icon, I believe. Okay. I'll use this open and replace. Perfect. And I'll save as desktop at my computer. Okay. I believe that my file was way too big, the icon. That's the reason I did not get a proper. Okay, let's go ahead and change this as well. No, it was the same one. Okay, yeah, that's right. So my icon was way too big, and that's the reason it's not detecting the icon right now. But let's just assume that you have created this icon, the same icon, by gathering the same pixel icon, and I'll just go and delete both of these. So let's assume at this point of time that this is a real icon, and we will be going ahead, and this is my computer. So the person double clicks this one, and let's go to our Kali Linux and see what happens. As you can see, a payload has been started, and I'll type sessions -l. There are no active sessions. Okay, I think I'll just go ahead and check my payload. Okay, I'll just go ahead and quit this, and I'll open MSF console, and I'll just go ahead and close the payload. Okay, I don't have the payload over here right now running. Let's check. Let's start the MSF console, and then we will go ahead and run our virus. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have sending stage. Let's see if we could get our hands on it. If the firewall does not detect it, it will straight away go ahead and run our interpreter prompt, and I will get once we get our interpreter prompt, we can do anything that we want. Let's wait and see what happens. Okay, now I know why it was not working, because it was just copying the payload that I had over here to over here. That's the reason. So I'll just go ahead and copy this payload, and yep, perfect. Or I'll just copy it from over here, paste it here, and then cut it, and I will paste it over here. Paste, copy and replace. Perfect. Now it should work. Let's see if it works. Perfect. So as you can see, we have the interpreter first prompt opened. So let's go ahead and see the stage, and we have it. Perfect. So once the interpreter prompt is open, we can do anything that we want, but I'll be showing you in the next tutorial, and that is it for this tutorial, guys.